Prepare now. Bitcoin lunar solar eclipse is happening on October 29th. All right, guys, I have to be honest. I'm a bit tired today because my daughter was waking up last night and I was not able to get much sleep. So I'm going to do my best to share this video with you today. Wanted to get this out for you. Okay, I want to use this fanciest software I have here that I got where I'm going to show you this eclipse here. Oh, look at this. There's the Earth. There's the moon. You see the moon? So on this lunar eclipse, the moon is behind the Earth. So it's basically we are directly on the Earth is in between the moon and the sun. All right, so that's what we're dealing with here. And another thing that's interesting here is if you look directly behind the sun, there's Mercury and Mars. All right, so Mercury and Mars are conjunct, meaning they are directly in line. Basically, they're opposite the Earth. So you see the Earth's right behind the sun. All right, so let's get into the Bitcoin predictions for this lunar eclipse. This is not financial advice. I'm Jack and I'm an engineer, going crypto astrologer and transformational coach. I'm here to help you grow your impact and income in the new financial, technological, and spiritual paradigm. Watch this video all to the end. I'll give you the Bitcoin predictions for the October 29th lunar eclipse at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So we have the lunar eclipse on October 29th, and lunar eclipses always represent really volatility in the markets, major changes, sometimes even the fall of rulerships. Now, in terms of Bitcoin, we cover the Bitcoin astrology on this channel. I use the birth chart of Bitcoin to generate an astrology chart. And on October 9th, the same day as the lunar eclipse, this is very significant because it's on the same day. We have Venus opposite the Bitcoin Uranus, which really represents volatility and unexpected turns in the market. But the good news is we have October 27th, we have Uranus trine the Bitcoin Saturn, which is very positive. And that I think is why we're starting to see a pump already. It's happening earlier than I anticipated. Now, and then on November 1st, we do have the Venus conjunct the Bitcoin Saturn, which is a slight negative because it's not a direct hit. It doesn't become exactly conjunct, but it gets really, really close. So we could see a little dump around November 1st. Now, themes of the eclipse, we have the sun in Scorpio and the moon in Taurus. This represents, so Scorpio and Taurus represents finances. So world financial markets are center stage on this eclipse. This lunar eclipse has themes around our personal values, our income, and investments. We have Mars conjunct Mercury, and we could see big market swings and intense events in the news about the WAR, if you know what I'm talking about. Because Mercury is the planet that represents markets, and Mars is the planet that cuts through, and we could see major swings with Mars. We also have Mars and Mercury opposite Jupiter. This represents kind of more tension, could be conflicting energy. So in our personal lives, at least, try to avoid conflicts and think before you speak. As for the Bitcoin astrology on the lunar eclipse, let's go into more detail. On October 3rd and December 5th, we have Saturn sextile the Bitcoin Pluto. This is positive, steady growth. So we have that throughout October, but this is not very close to the eclipse. Also in October 5th and December 3rd, we have the Saturn conjunct the Bitcoin Venus, which is minor negative, dampening effect on Bitcoin. But like I was saying, there's no direct hit. So it hasn't been shown to be very significant. On October 27th, which is right near the eclipse, we have the Uranus trine Bitcoin Saturn, which is very positive. And I think that's why the price is going up right now. All right, the number one thing you can do to support this channel, I've been making these videos all throughout 2023 for free. If you're getting a lot of benefits from these videos that I'm putting out, imagine what a private one-on-one session with me could do. So the number one way you can support the channel is to get a quantum alignment session with me. That's the only way I make income on this channel. And I do have a family and we do have some bills. So I think you know what I'm saying. All right, so get a quantum alignment session with me. My crypto astrology predictions are still above 90% accuracy for this year. In this session, I will use your astrology birth chart to fine-tune your personal crypto strategy for 2023 and beyond. Crypto is very personal for each and every one of us because we each have our own reasons for investing in crypto. We each have our own values in our life and our vision, and particularly what we're going through in our lives right now. So I can take a look at your personal astrology transits now and for the rest of this year to help you make major decisions with your crypto and beyond. I'll help you identify your wealth superpowers and additional income opportunities. There are particular areas in your chart that are related to your income and your investments, and I can help you highlight very particular themes in those areas that I think you will gain a lot of value from. A bonus is I will also, if you're interested, I could introduce to you tokenized mining opportunity. The CEO of BlackRock recently said this year that the future of finance is tokenized assets. So I know of a company that is literally right now creating tokenized mines around the world and doing it in a sustainable way. It's very impressive what they're doing. And there is an opportunity to invest in their crypto token before it gets listed on exchanges. So it could be an incredible wealth building opportunity. In all transparency, I am invested in it. And I also know of a tokenized real estate opportunity that could also be a great way to diversify your portfolio. So this is your last chance. There are only 2 more spots available for $200 for this month for these sessions. I'm giving an amazing deal for this month because it's the eclipses. I thought it would be a good idea for those who are looking to get deeper support with me, who have been following my channel, who like what I'm putting out there, who would like to connect with me one-on-one on a private session. This is truly an incredible deal. You will not see sessions at this price for the rest of the year. This is your last opportunity during this month. After that, the price goes back up to $497. So you can use the coupon code on the checkout page. You click on the link, you go to the checkout page, and at the very bottom, you can type in the coupon code to the moon. Type in that code, you click the little checkbox, and the price will go from $497 down to $200. If you type in the code and it does not work, that means there's no more spots available. So jump on this sooner rather than later. If you didn't already know, Raoul Pal recently said that crypto is heading to 10 trillion market cap potentially by 2026 based on his estimations. Now I want to show you this pre-election chart. All right, this is from Jason. He's doing great work. So this is the S&P 500 cycle composite for 2023. So I believe these are all the averages of pre-election years for the S&P 500. And as you know, Bitcoin follows the macro markets. It's not just in a vacuum all by itself. It's deeply correlated to the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. But as you can see, these are the averages from, in this box is from July all the way through to January. And what we're seeing, the Dow Jones is following this pretty closely because we see from September into October, we did see some dumping. And this shows there could be just a lot of volatility. As you can see, there's a pump and then a dump and then a pump again into November, then potentially a dump in November and then back up in December and bullish movements into January. This is very close to what the astrology is saying as well. And so we could see the markets pump from around now into November. So that is looking quite good. It's not like extremely bullish, but it's just volatility, sideways action. So I'm thinking it could be some good buying opportunities, not financial advice. That's just what I'm thinking, what I'm doing with my money. Okay, Bitcoin predictions, what you have been waiting for. If you made it all the way to this video, congratulations. So Bitcoin predictions, what we're seeing is more volatility around this lunar eclipse. The Bitcoin price is bullish, very bullish around October 27th, right before the lunar eclipse. So that's very positive. And we could also, a sneak peek, we could also see the Bitcoin price moving a bit higher in November with more volatility. All right, so like and share if you enjoyed this video. I'll be coming out with more Bitcoin astrology videos and also an Ethereum astrology video coming up soon. I came out with recently an XRP video as well as a Tesla video. So let me know in the comments below what more videos you want to see. And definitely subscribe so you can see all these videos that I'm going to be coming out with. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video.